Hey guys, welcome back. So I got my 2013 Dodge Durango here, and on this video I'm going to show you what I did to troubleshoot and how I fixed the issue I was having with my third brake light. So I went online, bought a new light, installed it, brand new light from Opar, not the Chinese ones, and it didn't work. So I had to start following the wire right here because I wanted to know where the plug was at. So basically, you take this panel off and you got the plug about right here. So the wire goes this way, goes up, and right here. So basically, if you see that little white dot right here on the very top, that's one of the wires that's broken in the rubber. So it's completely snapped off. And the other one, you would see the outside of the wire, but the conductor was broken inside, so you really couldn't tell unless you tested it. Was a voltmeter for continuity. And what I did was I cut the wires here, peeled all this protective layer off, added about 5 inches of wire. I soldered the wires, I shrink tubed them, made a new hole here in the rubber, and I passed the wires down to the bottom. And I already had taken off the connector, so I just went ahead and soldered and shrink tubed them and plugged it in place, and voila, it worked. But one of the issues on this vehicle is that these wires, or like on the Durango, the Journey, they will snap off like they did in my vehicle. And you can buy that cable online, but you know, you might have an easy fix there, or you know, you might have to get a new replacement cable or splice it like I did. But you know, I'm just trying to save you guys time out there, or you know, try and avoid you guys from buying a light if you don't need it. So hope this video helps, and see y'all later. Bye bye.